Okay, let's look at a quadratic application problem. So Louise kicks a soccer ball along the arc y is equal to 0.25x squared plus 3x, where y is the height of the ball above the ground in meters and x is the distance away from Louise in meters. The graph has been provided. So on the graph, we're going to show where the ground is located. So Louise is going to kick a soccer ball, which means she's probably kicking it from the ground. It's going to go up, around, and back down. So there is more graph than we need, but the ground will be along this x-axis. So I'm going to highlight that. And I'm going to say that this is the ground. Now it says on the graph, show where Louise is located. So Louise would be located where the ball is initially kicked from. So right here is where Louise would be located. It says shade or highlight the part of the graph that represents the actual path of the ball. So it means the ball would have started here. You're going to go all the way up, around, and all the way back down to the ground. So again, this part here, all the way up, around, and back down to the ground. So why would I not include the other parts? Well, because basically we can't go underground. So even though that is actually part of the parabola, we don't include that in this application because we can't go underground. Okay, so we do not include the other parts because we cannot go under the ground. It wants to know how high the ball is at its highest point. So what it's looking for is the vertex. So let's go look for the vertex. So the vertex here is at 6. So the highest point the ball goes is 9. And we're measuring in meters. So the highest point is 9 meters. So how high is the ball at its highest point? It is 9 meters high. It wants to know how far away from Louise the ball lands. So we're looking for the x-intercepts. So I'm going to go over here. The ball starts here with Louise. It's going to go up and down, and then it lands over here. So it lands 12 meters away from Louise. So Joseph is 1.5 meters tall and is standing 3 feet away from Louise. So let's find that. So he's 3 meters away from Louise and he's 1.5 meters tall. So I'm going to put Joseph there. So this here is Joseph. If Joseph does not move, will the ball hit him? So no, the ball shouldn't hit him because it goes over him and around him. So if he does not move, will the ball hit him? No, the ball will not hit